Hey kids, welcome back to Learning with Chip. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you all about File Explorer, one of the most important elements in Windows 11. And helping me today, I am going to be joined by my friend Philly, the File Manager. So let's go to the classroom. Hey Philly, how you doing? It's great to see you.
Hey Chip, I'm doing great, huh? Good to see you.
So what are you going to teach us today?
Well, I am going to teach you all about the Windows 11 File Explorer.
That's great, Philly. Let's take a look.
So first of all, let's move our mouse and click on the taskbar on File Explorer. So when you first go into File Explorer, you will see all the folders that are stored on your computer. So let's take a look on the left-hand side. At the top is Home. This is the home screen for File Explorer. The next tab is Gallery. This is the same as Pictures, but a quicker way at looking at your images. Then you have OneDrive. This is Microsoft's cloud storage facility. So if you have an account, all your files are backed up to their cloud server. Then the next 6 folders starting from desktop show you all the files you have stored on your computer.
So Philly, that's very interesting about Microsoft's OneDrive, because if you have a Microsoft account and you save your files to their server, it means you will never lose your documents. But if you save your files to the computer, if your computer's lost or stolen, you will lose all your documents. So this is a great safeguard.
Yes, Chip, this is a great way to protect all your documents. Let me show you how easy it is to save your files to Microsoft OneDrive. So first of all, let's open up File Explorer. And on the left, you will see your name followed by Personal. Click once on Personal, then double click on Documents. I already created a folder called My Files. And now I am going to show you how to create a new folder called My Homework. Move your mouse to the top left to New, then click on Folder A. New folder will appear on the screen. Now let's call this folder My Homework. Now let's double click on My Homework and it says this folder is empty. That's because we haven't saved anything to it. So again, let's click on New on the top left, then click on Text Document. Now let's call this text document Maths Homework. And if we go back on the top left arrow and double click on the My Homework folder, we will find our Maths homework has been saved.
Wow, that's really great, Philly. So what else can you tell us about File Explorer?
So I just want to finish off by showing you the rest of the folders starting from desktop all the way down to network. So let's click on these folders so we can see the files we have saved on our computer. And as you can see, if we don't have any files saved like in music or videos, then nothing will show up. So the final 2 folders are this PC and network. This PC shows you your drives and devices. Disk C is where all your software is installed, and the devices show you if you have a DVD player installed to watch all your videos. And if you click on network, this shows you what network you are on. So if you are on your school network, this would show up.
Wow, Philly. That's really a great introduction to File Explorer. I know you're going to come back to show us a few more things you can do, but for the time being, thanks for being with us today.
You're welcome, Chip. I look forward to seeing you all next time.
So kids, I hope you learned something today. And to help you out, I have created a small PDF guide. So if you click on the link in the description below, you can download it for free. In my next video, I am going to introduce you to the internet and give you some tips and tricks on how to save your favorite websites and teach you how to browse the internet safely. So I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now.